Even if you're 75 years old, you look 25 years old, because turmeric is the best natural remedy for your skin. Removes wrinkles, anti-aging, glows, and moisturizer. As you see here, we have finished to mix our remedy. That's the carrot juice, turmeric, and honey. After that, you first wash your face very well. You wash it. Maybe you can be having dust on your skin, or your skin is dirty. You wash it off, then you apply that remedy. So you apply the remedy on the skin when your skin is very clean. So when you apply that remedy, it clears dark spots on your skin. Trust me, it removes wrinkles. Carrot has that antioxidants and also collagen that removes the wrinkles in a long run. So it clears your skin, it smoothens your skin, it makes your skin perfect, clear, clear and very soft. So you guys just keep on trying this remedy. It will make your skin look good, as in very good. Try it out. As for dark people, you can apply it like twice or once a week. Then for brown skin guys, you can apply twice a week also, or 3 times a week. Yeah, so try it out. As you see here, I've finished washing off the remedies. Actually, after the remedies, you leave it like for 20 minutes on. 20 minutes a lot, like leave it like for 10 minutes on, then you wash it off. So as you see here, I've removed the remedy. I've washed off my face using warm water. Actually, always use warm water. Yeah, using warm water. Then afterwards, I've applied my favorite moisturizer, you know. And please, whenever you wash your face off, please don't leave your face there like that. You need to moisturize your face. If you just leave your face there like that without moisturizing, it dries out, and you know, your face doesn't get dehydrated enough. I mean hydrated enough, so it dries out. Excuse me. So what you do, you apply your favorite moisturizer. After applying your favorite moisturizer, you have to massage your face. You know, you massage your face backwards, and to tighten your face. You know, when you tighten your face, it helps you look young forever. Your face becomes anti-aging. It removes those deep wrinkles, you know. It makes you smooth, soft, you know. Moisturizes your skin. Yeah, so it's very good to massage your skin after applying the remedy, or also you can moisturize your skin after a shower. For example, in the morning, after washing your face, after bathing, when you're rushing to work, massage your face like for 20 minutes or for 10 minutes and you go to work, you know. Always massage your face. It helps to circulate, the blood circulates very well on the face, on the skin. Yeah, it saturates very well. It improves on the elasticity of the skin. So as you see there, you just keep on like holding it back tight. Thank you for watching. Bye. Subscribe.